Hey everyone, welcome to the Element Pack widget tutorial. In this video, we'll be checking out the ACF Slider widget, which is part of the Element Pack add-on. So let's get started. Advanced Custom Fields, or ACF, is a multi-purpose custom filed creator tool for WordPress. With this, you can even create a slider with custom fields. But as for customizations afterward, it lacks quality options. But with Element Pack, you are getting back all those sweet customizations offered by ACF when you are making your sliders stand out. Okay, let's get started on making our slider with ACF. First, head over to the ACF plugin dashboard and select the field group where you want to add new fields. Inside, click on the Add Field button and choose the repeater field type. Give your field a general label, like ACF Slider or whatever you prefer, and the field name will be auto-selected from the label. Now it's time to add the required fields for your slider inside the Subfields option. Let's start with an image field type, then add the label and name, and minimize the options tray for this one. Next, create a text field for the slider title in the same way. Followed by another text field for descriptions, and a link type field for the slider button. Once you're done, save the changes to add these custom fields to the post types. Now, let's create a new page from your WP dashboard and name it ACF Slider. Scroll down to find the custom slider fields at the bottom of the page and click on the Add New button to start. First, select your slider images. Yes, you can select multiple slides at the same time. Then fill up the title, description text, and button link and text. Once you're done organizing your slides, hit the Publish button for this page. Next, click the Edit with Elementor button. Since Element Pack is an add-on for Elementor, our final customization will be done inside Elementor's editor interface. Once inside the editor, select Elementor Canvas for ease of design for now. Add a container on the page and a heading widget on top with the text ACF Slider, just for showcase. Then add another container right below. You can always use some padding for the parent container to prepare the design area and check for mobile responsiveness while you're at it. Now, insert the ACF Slider widget within the empty container below. Search for the widget name and drop it. If you can't find the widget on the widget menu, it's probably switched off from the dashboard. Go back to the Element Pack dashboard, into the Third-Party Widgets tab, turn on the ACF Slider switcher, and save settings. Then, reload the page and search for the widget from the widget menu. Drop it inside the page and select the repeater fields from the options under the slider. First is the ACF Slider field. Then select the title, image, content, and link tags separately. Just like that, the basic slider appears on your page. Now, go inside the Style tab and customize the slider appearance with options provided by Element Pack. Start by working on the title style. Then customize the button background, padding, border, and text color. Finally, do a bit more retouching on the title font and update the changes. Take a look at the final results and voila! You've easily created custom sliders with the ACF Slider widget. That's a wrap for this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more awesome content. Catch you in the next one.